Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey gearheads, we have the true definition of a muscle car right here. This is a stripped down 66 Chevy Bel Air with a big block and a 4-speed. It's dressed up as a 427, but it's actually a 496 stroker motor, and what looks like a 4-speed is actually a new Tremec 5-speed. When I say stripped down, I mean heater delete, wiper delete, radio delete, just a bare bones 2-door sedan with a big motor and a 5-speed and a posi rear end. Body off frame, rotisserie restored. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, study about 100 photos, and get the price. But not only on this car, we have a few hundred cars for sale on volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as they come out. But right now, why don't you join me for a spin in this true muscle car? Yeah, I gather they started with a really clean car to begin with. They say it was on a rotisserie, which means it was flipped over. The whole bottom of the car has been done. The front end's all rebuilt. All the chassis and suspension is cleaned and painted, and new bushings. Like I said, the front end all rebuilt, the rear suspension's rebuilt. It has a brand new adjustable pan hard bar, new shocks, brake system's been all redone, e-brake cables are new, brake lines are new, all new fuel system, the tank, the sending unit, the straps, the lines, that's all new. Of course, the Tremec 5-speed is an upgrade, has all new clutch, shift linkage, Flowmaster exhaust, which you'll hear in a minute when I start it up. The body's outstanding. I mean, I'm looking in the reflection, it's white, but I'm seeing the floor like it's a white mirror. All the panels fit real nice. There are no rust, no issues anywhere down around the wheel wells. The bottom of the doors are super clean. The paint is polished out, smooth and slick as can be. Sometimes when a car is white, it hides a lot, so they don't go the extra. They went the extra on this one. It's like white glass. All of the trim, the side moldings, the bow tie mirrors, all this stainless. This stuff is like polished like chrome. All the glass is crystal clear. Has 427 emblems because that's what they would have had back then, so it's dressed up as a 427, but again, it's a 496 stroker. The grille is actually original. It's very shiny. It's got little speckles from road debris, but the bumper's rechromed. Yeah, the emblems, the moldings are new. It has vintage style. They're new, but they're vintage style torque thrust wheels. A bigger tire in the back to give it that aggressive look. But look at all the... I did want to say I just seen there is a little blister just barely showing right there on the hood. And this paint job is about 5-6 years old, so I wouldn't be too concerned about that. Look at how nice the door jambs are. Slick as can be. The latches and hardware is detailed. New weather strips, new window seals, new sill plates. Inside the window there, that window is so clean it looks like it's not there. Tail lights are like new. Big, ginormous trunk, all clean, original metal with a nice coat of spatter finish paint. Up under here is all painted glossy, has the decals, the new weather strip. If you like neatness and detail and quality, this car is that car. You look up in the door jamb, way up there by the hinges, it's all smooth, glossy paint. Door panels are completely reupholstered. The little bit of metal that shows inside the car was all sprayed with a gun. Looks like new window cranks, armrest, handles. The seat cushions are real good. The seats are completely reupholstered with the old vintage style fabrics. New carpet. It does have the GM seat belts. The dash area is restored like brand new. You probably want to see the motor. Show quality, highly detailed motor compartment. So they start with a 454 and it's bored and stroked to a 496, but again it has the 427 decals. It looks like it just rolled out of the factory. Super nice Chevy orange on the motor, stock manifolds, brand new stock chrome valve covers, the dual snorkel air cleaner, looks like it was sprayed with a gun, the distributor, the alternator, the master cylinder, all that stuff looks new, the fuel pump. It does have an upgraded radiator with dual electric fans to keep it running cool. It has Delco battery toppers, spring clamp battery cables. The headliner is mint. The welting, the cloth welting around the door jamb is mint. The kick panels, the knobs under the dash. Inside the glove box is mint. There's an owner's manual in there. When I say wiper delete, it actually has the metal, I don't even know where you'd get that. It has the metal plug where the wiper switch would be. It has the metal plate where the radio would be and where the heater controls would be. It all looks like it just was never there. It has a factory tachometer in the dash. Down below is an oil and temperature gauge. The car is so clean, I even laid down and looked under the dash, thinking to myself, I bet that's spotless too, and it was. It's just that type of car. It's immaculate everywhere you look. The horn ring is beautiful. There are a couple nicks. No, actually, that's just grease on the steering wheel, so I'm going to say the steering wheel's even mint. Let's fire it up. Probably want to hear the car, not me. No wrinkles in the headliner. It's a very high quality, genuine muscle car. Dash pad's mint. Not only is everything new, but everything just fits right. Nothing's loose and falling off. Super great car. It's a unique car. Someone's going to have a lot of fun with this one. Go to volocars.com. You can meet our staff. We'll help with the whole process. You have questions about the car, the financing, the delivery. We can help with all of that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.